I'm Lee Waters. I'm a Richmond-based interior designer. I help people turn their worst rooms into their favorites.
I wanted to create a room that was sophisticated and elegant, and I knew that I needed a little bit of help.
I came up with Designed in a Day based on the need that many clients or potential clients would have, where they wanted expert guidance and an expert plan, but they wanted to be able to buy the pieces on their own as time and budget allowed.
I called Lee as soon as I moved into my new house. I knew kind of what I wanted. I'm very decisive, so she will listen to you. She knew all of the correct design aspects, the color palettes, and the things that should go together with each other. And she listened to what I wanted and brought that into the design.
When you book a Designed in a Day, I'm going to show up and we're going to sit down with you in the space that we're going to be redesigning. And then we're going to measure the space and we're going to talk about the pieces that we need to source. And we're going to work side by side with you. Because you're there with us, we can make these decisions really quickly. So then once we have agreement from the client on the design, we're going to send them a checklist of all the steps, all the products, all the materials, all the people to call, so that then the clients can execute the design as time and budget allows.
I would definitely recommend working with Lee. She is amazing at what she does. It really helped me put the room together the way I really imagined it to be.
Every client means so much to me that people would trust me to guide them through transforming their homes to be places of refuge and joy and fun. It's just a real honor that I'm grateful to be able to do every day and call it my job.